Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen White and this is Jenwhiteposh. So I am really excited to share with you guys this package that I got in the mail today. It's nice and quiet in my house. The kids are asleep and I'm really excited to break into this and share with you guys what is in my transition kit. So we just released our spring line and it is incredible. It is called Fab and Floral. It is absolutely fabulous and floral amazing. So inside here is actually some of the brand new spring products and I can't wait to show you guys, and it's the first time I've actually gotten my hands on them as well. So super excited about it. So, inside our transition kit, we have our newest chunk bar. This is called Fantasy That. This chunk bar is a shimmering shea butter bar. It is Dreamy Lotus and Freesia combined with light amber from Magical Fragrance. It's really neat. It has this unicorn on it, and I'm all about the unicorn and fantasy and magical and fairies, so I'm really excited about this bar. It also smells very light. It is not overpowering. I think it's going to be a really awesome addition. So that's in there. And then we also have, this is Show and Gel. This is a prickly pear and aloe vera hydrating body gel. Now this is a really neat brand new technology. So this is a very hydrating, nourishing gel that you put on your body just like you would a body cream, except for this is a gel. It quenches and it calms. It's really great for parched skin. There's aloe vera, coconut water, and hyaluronic acid in here, and also with brightening prickly pear. So prickly pear is a pretty neat ingredient in here. It's actually the bloom on top of the prickly pear cactus that we use, and those bloom in spring, so it's really perfect for the spring line. So this is really great, and this actually has let's see, this has more of a kind of earthy, not like a very floral scent. It's more of a earthy natural scent. It smells very good and I'm really excited to see what it's all about. So this is our hydrating body gel, Show and Gel. Like I said, it's some really neat new technology. This is our newest skin stick. So we have a line of skin sticks that are essential oil, shea base, incredible for multiple different things. We have everything from a purifier, which is, you know, bug bites, calming skin, all kinds of a healer, which is perfect for pretty much everything, all kinds of skin irritations and things. But this one is called Do Me Right. And this one actually has coconut water in there, and it has hazel, witch hazel, excuse me, and mushroom, and that's going to help improve skin's tone for a glowing complexion. This is perfect for on your face. It won't cause your pores to get clogged or anything like that. So this is a really great one. It's got the vitamin B3 in there, and coconut water has so much incredible ingredients in there, and this also says it's a great use for a primer. So it's really neat, and it's going to give you that kind of dewy look. It's a very light scent of cucumber, and it is kind of a bluish color, if you can see there. So it's very light. It smells like cucumbers. So that's Do Me Right, and this is a part of our brand new spring line. I'm super glad about that. It's really exciting. And then we have this really neat, it's called Mist and Shout. So there's actually, I was reading about this one before I got it, and there's actually 19 different things in here, superfoods actually they call them, to make this really incredible. And it comes with a spray bottle, and this is called Mist and Shout, and this is rose water. Rose is absolutely wonderful for your skin. It's a really great to tone and mist, and it's got some amazing extracts in here to help condition for a glowing complexion. This is a really great addition to Posh, and I am super excited to have this one in my hands. Like I said, there's all kinds of really neat things in here. Sassafras, chamomile, Just there, like I said, there's 19 different things, cauliflower, all kinds of really great ingredients. So this is going to be a really great one, and you can just miss it. Well, actually, oh, it smells beautiful, like a rose, and not like a fakey rose. It's a really pretty rose, and I can feel it on. Oh, it's so soothing. I love this. I'm really excited about this one. This one's Mist and Shout. My house is very quiet, so it's really neat. My kids all went down pretty easy tonight. Boy, mom, 3 boys. It doesn't happen often, but it is quiet tonight. So that was our rose water. The next we're gonna have is, this is called Buff Around the Edges. This is a Prickly Pear and Loofah body polish. Now, body polish is a really, really neat thing. This is one of our least aggressive body type scrubs, but it leaves this amazing smoothing, silky feel on your body, and I totally recommend this before shaving. We have another style in our core catalog, which is You Apricot Me, but this one is actually going to be the Prickly Pear, and this has loofah inside, and it's, excuse my dog, Bowie. Exfoliate and brighten the appearance of dull skin with gentle loofah, prickly pear cactus while hydrating with aloe vera in this cucumber and mint scented scrub. So it's pretty neat, and we'll get it open here. And it's definitely cucumber. It is cucumber, and a really light, pretty scent, which I'm guessing is a prickly pear. It's a very pretty cucumber scent. It's gonna be feel great in the shower because cucumber is a very cooling, so this is going to feel really, really great. And this is called Buff Around the Edges and part of the spring line. And then we have one more full-size product. Now this one is really, really great. This one's called 24 Carrots, and this is actually packed with carrots. So this is a creamy kaolin and is blended with carrots, which are rich in antioxidants, which are so good for your skin. They're good for your body inside and out. This also has beta carotene to keep skin supple and glowing, while sunflower oil moisturizes. So this is going to be a really fabulous face mask. I'm actually going to be doing this one tonight, so I'm really excited about it. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and check it out. I'm gonna apply just a little, and it is almost kind of a yellowish mustard color, if you can see that. And it's gonna go on very, I did just wash my face a little bit. It's gonna go on very, it feels very smooth and smells super good. You know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and mask with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna just start applying this. Welcome to my life. We'll just wing it like we always do. Oh, it smells really good and feels really great. And make sure you get down in that neck, because your neck is important too. And I hope you're noticing how little goes so far. One thing with Posh, we don't use any sulfates, no parabens, so you're not getting any of those unnatural fillers in there, which is going to make your product and your hard-earned money last longer. And this one smells really great. It doesn't smell like carrots as much as you would think. It really doesn't smell like carrots. It has more of a real natural scent. It's not fruity and none of that. It's just got a real neutral but natural scent to it. It's actually kind of a very clean scent. And I'm using very little when I do go in for more, because it does go so far. Little Posh really does go a very long way. All right. So we are testing out the new 24 carats, and it feels super amazing, like superfood for my face. I can definitely feel the kaolin in there, the kaolin clay in there working, doing its job. It is a really great feeling mask. It is not tingling. There's definite calming to it. So I am going to leave this one on for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how it dries. And like I said, this one has a lot of antioxidants in it, beta carotene and sunflower. So it's going to be really hydrating, really great. And it's also going to kind of tighten with that kaolin in there. And there's also, it's fragrance with spring blossoms and dewy greens. Like I said, it's a very pretty natural scent. So this one is the 24 carats, and it's really amazing so far. I'm enjoying it. So what else did we get? We got samples. So if you're interested in getting some samples and pampering in your life, please feel free to let me know. Drop some comments below. You can email me at jenwhiteposh.gmail. Find me on Instagram, or you can find me on Facebook at Jenwhiteposh. I have a boutique page as well. So I would love to get you samples. Let's see what kind of samples we did get in this kit. We got some Big Fat Yummy hand creams, and these are absolutely the best feeling things for your hand. The hands, they are incredible, not greasy, very quick drying. So you can pick up your coffee cup to chase after your toddler, or, you know, grab your phone while you're at work and pick it up without the worry of your hands being all slippery. Of course, we're cruelty free and made right here in the US. So really great things. And this one is called Pinkies Up. I don't know. Pinkies Up. It's got some teapots on there and some teacups. It's really cute. This is a rich blackberry with lavender, black tea, and vanilla. So this is going to be it's a kind of more of a lighter scent. It's very light, and I'm guessing it's going to be pretty incredible. So actually, let's see here. Let's just open this. I'm waiting for some more full-size products to come, but I'm guessing it's going to be a very light scent. And a little goes a long way. It's probably more than I need. And you can actually hear the difference from when it went on. Now you cannot hear my hands. And it is a very light scent. I don't get the overpowering of lavender, and I don't get the overpower of vanilla. They all kind of blend in very nicely. It's almost a muted scent of the blends. It's very pretty though. Pinkies Up. So definitely, if you would like to check out some samples of Pinkies Up, or anything you see here, go ahead, let me know. I have samples of pretty much everything. These are samples of our fresh creamy milk, which inside is got some of our really great ingredients. This one is perfect for sensitive skin, all kinds of great skin issues and things. It's really great for men and women and children. I like to use this on my own kids because it is a very light one. The fresh creamy milk is a very, it has shea butter in there. There's milk thistle, bamboo, all really great ingredients, of course. Cruelty free. So those are fresh creamy milk. And then we also, oh, these are really neat. So this is Bare It All. Bare It All is our 3-in-1 micellar tonic water. It is really, really awesome. And we just got a new formula, and this one actually has some really great ingredients like radishes and some other, it has apple in there and lavender, it looks like. Lemon, just some really great ingredients in here. Coconut water. So this one is actually called Bare It All, and these are wipes. So they're perfect for travel on the go. This is actually my, the older ones, the last season's, and I use them religiously. To be honest, I'm kind of lazy at the end of the night sometimes after chasing all the kids around, and that is